Okay, so I'm going to try and explain that formula that you have on your sheet. And it looks something like this scenario here. And you want to know how to do this with your spreadsheets. Well, let's consider this particular point here, right? So I know that I'm using the equation 13963 is equal to, I think you called your A value as 2 from that's what I see here, times B, and my X is going to be 59 to the 59. And so then when you solve it, you divide it by 2, which is awesome. And this was then B to the 59. And then you wanted to do the 59th root, root 59. Well, there's another way to do it with exponents. And this root here means I could go to 1 to the power of 59. And so if I do that side, because 59 times 1 to the power of 59 is 1, I also do this to 1 to the power of 59. So I'm going to have my spreadsheet do this calculation, but I want to make note of the fact that the 59 and this number, those are the y and the x from our table. Okay, that's the point 59, 13963. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my table here, and I'm going to type equal, because whenever I do a equation, I have to type the equal sign. And I'm going to put it in parentheses, and I'm going to take this value, which is my 13963, divide by 2, which is fixed, close that, and I'm going to raise that to the power, in parentheses, 1, divide by this 59. Okay, and I use these cells for the numbers because then it's a formula that the spreadsheet can do, and I hit enter, and life is good. Then I can go to this little blue square there, see how my cursor changes, and if I drag it, it will fill in all the other values as well, and so it just duplicates the formula over and over again. Okay, so that's how you use the spreadsheets. I hope this answers your question.